Just a quick update. We did get the line over the pulley. The pulley on the branch. So we'll show you what it looks like when it's done.
So just a quick update, guys. This video, just to tell you what's going on. This video is all the fails that we did in order to making a bird trap. So we just wanted to put those out there. And well, as you know, we didn't make the bird trap, but so this is just what we were doing, and this is how it worked. So yeah. Like that.
It's impossible. You try.
Oh no, I'm not kidding. Let's see. So we could just do something like this, or better method. Something like we can somehow get. Nope. And I just made it worse.
Somebody needs to jump up there and get it.
Wait. Here. Put the camera down. Justin's gonna go jump up, get that. Going and he missed it.
Maybe if
Barely.
we did that again.
Yeah, but you need like a grip.
Yeah, but
Pigs don't have grips.
oh, I kinda got it down though.
So, think you can reach it?
Yeah. Oh, that's hurt thing.
Oh, you touched it. Right. Nope. So currently we are sewing this stuff together, the rope, and yeah, it's going pretty well. We found out that our original plan was invalid, so we had to go with a different plan that involves sewing the rope with the towel. So, see you once. Sorry, I thought I heard my dog Bella squealing like she was in pain, but I guess she really wasn't. She's right over there.